Hello everybody, my name is Edgar Rodriguez and this is Kip, my service dog. And today we are at PETCO and we're gonna be doing what I call a petting day, which means I allow anyone who wants to pet Kip to pet him. Normally we don't do this, this is once in a while. And today's Valentine's Day, so it's a perfect day to do it. If this is something you want to see, keep watching. So several dogs coming to the store, so that comes part of the practice for today, which is socialization and not reacting or moving when other dogs are here. So it's 2 in 1. And so we do this once a month, petting, allowing everybody to pet him. How do you like it?
It's good.
It's good?
So cute.
Thank you. So that's a good behavior. He has to stay there, you know, going above whatever you allow him to do. Good boy. Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Oh, no, you're
No
beautiful.
kisses.
You're beautiful. A kiss, huh? A kiss.
No, no. May I help you there?
Oh, wait. Oh.
There you go. Needs to be polite. That's the main thing. And stay in place.
You smell all the dogs on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because they usually can't be pet.
No, normally I don't allow anybody to pet him, and but coucher. But once in a month, we go out and we do this. And today was a perfect day. It's Valentine's Day, so it's love day. He's allowed to get love.
And my sister, she has epilepsy, and
Oh.
so they've been looking into getting her a dog.
And they can detect it before it happens.
She has one in her sleep.
Oh, that would be nice. It can wake up family, can wake up her.
It amazes me how smart dogs are.
Yes. And it's not only how smart they are, it's what amazes me is how they can bond in a way with you that it's part of you almost. It's hard to explain that, especially when you have a dog that you with him 24/7. Something happened that is hard to explain in that relationship.
Yeah.
So I can read him, like I see him, I can read what he's thinking, and I swear to God, he can read what I'm thinking.
They know.
So I look at him, he goes like, okay, I'm not doing that.
You just film.
I just film, and we have a channel, and so we like right now, what I'm filming right now, which is cool that it's here, is what I call it a day in the life of service dog.
Okay.
And sometimes we go out and train, and we film while we're training and help other people train their own dogs.
But even then, it shows that they're not always working too. You know, they do get to enjoy.
Enjoy, yes. And it shows what it means, because it's beautiful to go everywhere with your dog, right? Everybody wants that, but it takes work. It's like carrying a baby with you, a 2-year-old all day.
Hopefully we get to see you guys in here more.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You are so pretty. I bet you smell babies, huh? You smell like babies. You are beautiful. Yes, you are. Goodness. Oh.
That
I
was.
can just pet you?
Yeah.
I can just pet you.
Okay.
Hi. Hello. Hi. It's our babies too. He's gorgeous.
Thank you. Thank you for stopping.
Oh,
We
yes.
appreciate
Thanks
it.
for letting us pet him.
Look at all your kisses.
He's like, okay, you can go in.
Nice, good boy. He needs to. We only do this like once a month. I don't know if you heard me say it.
The
And,
extra love.
get the extra love. The only thing, he has the same place. And don't approach you. He has to wait for you guys to come in and touch him first.
He seems to.
He seems to like it, yeah. It is something different for him too. It don't happen often.
More enrichment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh yeah, we love that today. Today's Valentine's Day. Okay?
Absolutely.
And he gets this once a month, so
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What do you do to deserve that?
he works a lot. Be lazy.
Can you shake? You shake? What? Can you shake for me? Are you going to listen to me? No, it's... Oh, you just want to nap? Getting tired.
Well behaved. Look at that.
Where are you going?
I had to teach my dogs. Both my dogs lay down like that.
Oh, he can stay there for hours if I ask him to stay there.
How'd you train him to do it? Did you do all the training with him?
Yes, I do all the training. He's my service dog, so we dedicate a lot of time to the training. And so what we're doing, like we film, it's to show other people who need service dog or have service dog, so they can train their own dogs. Because you can do that legally by law. You can train your own service dogs. This was a success. So we have 5-6 people petting him today. He don't get to do this often. It was not a busy day at PETCO, but it was a perfect day because we have not too many people, and especially not too many small children. Sometimes when we do this, small children, they come in a bunch and all together try to pet him, and that's the part that I don't like too much. But I think it was fantastic, and we're gonna do this again next month. And happy Valentine's Day to all of you guys. And this is it for today. This is Kip. Hey Kip, are you done for the day? Yeah. No, he's not done for the day. He's done for the petting day.